Hi, I'm Jerry and I'm the co-founder of Frog Bikes. We produce high-quality bikes for children here in Wales. Productivity is key to surviving these days, but poor transport, old infrastructure and barriers to tech like AI hold us back. As a business owner, I've seen how this increases costs and limits growth, especially in rural areas. That's why I support FSB Wales's push for real-world productivity. We need a step change in infrastructure investment. Plan for the future with better roads, rail, digital and energy. Increase Welsh Government borrowing limits to do this. Support access to finance by reviewing the Development Bank. Lower interest rates and identify gaps that potentially need addressing for medium firms like ours to scale up. Appoint a Minister for Digitalisation to drive SME adoption of digital tools and support that will help cut red tape and free up valuable time. Launch a new Net Sero Business Wales scheme for advice and funding on decarbonisation. It is an opportunity, not just a cost. Ensure space for growth by assessing land and buildings quickly to see if these can be brought back into use, helping manufacturers expand. Build community wealth like they've done in Scotland to help improve supply chain for Welsh SME growth across Wales. FSB Wales surveys show confidence in Welsh businesses, but not the wider Wales economy. These steps will boost efficiency and competitiveness. Support FSB Wales calls in the 2026 election. Let's make Wales productive and ready for the future. Thank you.